Hi guys, I'm Ashif Ali watching CGHOW video. Today we will make this simple beam effect in Unreal Engine Niagara very quickly. So let's start this. So in this empty Niagara system, I will add an emitter and I will take this dynamic beam, which is default emitter inside Unreal Engine. And then if you'll see, this is how it looks. First thing, I'll go to width and delete that points from the curve. So this is straight. Then I can make this little brighter, maybe 20 or 50, and then we can make this little thinner, maybe this much. And basically in the beam setup, this is the end of this, and you can animate it. So by breaking it, I'll just break this, and then here I will add a curve, and let's say from 0 to it should go like uh, 500, and that's it. If you'll play, this is animating, but this is taking the whole duration, and that is here. So you can make it 2 to make it faster, and if you still want to make it faster, you can go in here, and let's say I want to just scale it in like zero point 0.1 life, okay, or zero point 0.2, and then you can work on your curves if you want, like this. So if I put it like this is our beam. And then to make a glow around it, you can also make a material cool, that is the core inside the center, and then fade it. But in here, what I'll do, I'll just duplicate this and increase the width of this like this much, and decrease this to maybe just 1 or maybe zero point 0.2. This is how I can do. And then I'll duplicate this one more time, and this time I will make the spiral around it. And to make the spiral, let's say just isolate this one, and I'll take the position from here, and then I will convert it and then add the position. Now you have this vector. So this is going on the X. So we have the Z and the Y. So I'll just break this, and I'll connect the sine on X, Y, and cos on Z. And basically instead of this age, I will use execution index ID and copy and paste this here. And now if I increase this like 20 and 20, and this is our period 0.2, how much I want that. So this is how it looks. And let me just increase, yeah, zero point 0.2. So this is how it looks now. And if you'll see it, this is how it looks. And I'll make this thinner, and same thing I'll do here. I'll copy and paste, and now I'll make the bigger with like 0.5. Looks cool, and it's all animated. And just to final touch, I'll just add a basic material. I'll just make a material radial, and I'll take the particle color, connect this here, and multiply this, and I'll make this additive unlit two-sided. Save it, browse it, and I'll just use it in all. I should have done this before starting the effects, but yeah, now you know. And because this is radial, so all the tip and top and this bottom will be like scaled down, and this looks really cool. Okay, so we can just drag it in here in the viewport, and all set. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, and bye bye.